So you can see that I now have put the whole container in. This stuff wilts down very quickly, and this is really almost finished, but I just put the last of the leaves in, so they're still not wilted down. But the ones that went in first are like very, very cooked. So I'm just stirring it around to incorporate all the onions and garlic. And you can see that when you use a big container of greens like this, you're really left with not much. See, this is all wilted down. And you can see that the onions and the garlic are incorporated, and this is going to be really tasty. I haven't added any seasonings like salt or pepper, and it might not need it because the onions and garlic might give it enough flavor. So I'm going to turn down the heat on that. Just turn this so you can kind of see better. Let me just turn down the heat a little bit so it doesn't start to stick again. I didn't have to add any more mushroom broth because the greens make their own moisture, and so that they gave the pan enough moisture. I'm going to go ahead and turn the burner off. So this is really done. It looks really, really good. And this is our nice fresh greens for dinner that we will have with something. I just made these. I haven't decided what else is going to go with it, but you know, this could be a side dish, or you could make this a main dish with some rice or quinoa or couscous or anything really. Pasta, spaghetti squash. Oh, this would be really good with spaghetti squash with some tomato sauce. So there, it's all done. It's all wilted down. The garlic and onions are sticking to my thing. So you can see it's all wilted down, and that's all we got from that whole big container is this little amount, but it's going to be delicious. So I hope you try to make it because it's super easy. Enjoy!